Why limit the impact of your presentations with conventional whiteboards when you can do a lot more? Switch to CloudTouch and make a great impression every time. The key to great presentation is great engagement. Nothing engages better than CloudTouch, an interactive flat panel display by CloudWalker. Whether it is a boardroom meeting, a conference, or a brainstorming session, CloudTouch is your best presentation solution. It brings presentations alive. Using the most advanced touch technology, functionality, and interactivity, CloudTouch allows you to make meetings and presentations smarter and interactive, collaborate with the audience, and share screens seamlessly. The power of smart touch technology at your fingertips with CloudTouch. An interactive digital whiteboard which lets you annotate, write, draw on any image or video with easy gestures. It comes with a pen tool. You can change your pen color, size, or background. Convert annotations into objects, zoom in or zoom out, expand the canvas size, and move your annotations around. Add multiple pages to your discussions. Undo or redo, erase, or simply clear the entire screen. It also lets you instantly share your work with your audience via USB drive, smartphone, or you can send it through email. The 10-point multi-touch display makes collaboration easy. Annotate, open, or edit on worksheets, documents, or presentation directly on the board. Connect over a video conference with your team from multiple locations. Browse websites and annotate on it, or take a screenshot to add it to your presentation. CloudTouch lets you sideload and play Android apps of your choice. Comes equipped with an inbuilt C-Share Pro app. Using this, wirelessly connect your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone to CloudTouch instantly. Use your Airstream button along with CloudTouch to present wirelessly. So go on, make your presentations interactive and engaging with CloudTouch. Natively powered by Android, CloudTouch is compatible with dual OS, Android, and Windows. It also has multi-platform compatibility for macOS and Linux, making everything touch-enabled. Choose from 5 screen sizes ranging from 98 inches to 55 inches as per your needs. Comes with 4K Ultra HD and Full HD Resolution, inbuilt speakers, multiple HDMI, USB, and other connectivity ports, making it a reliable tool that is a blend of great quality, performance, and price. Benefit from a comprehensive warranty and robust customer support channel spread across the country. Get an edge over traditional means of presentations, raise the bar with CloudTouch, and deliver smarter and interactive presentations. In sync with the redefined way of delivering presentations, CloudTouch will let you present, collaborate, and share all at one place at your fingertips. Would you like to make your presentations more interactive and collaborative? Get in touch with us today